In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ActiveCampaign automation. We're going to walk through creating a simple, effective automation from scratch. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to trigger it, send emails automatically, add delays, and organize your contacts. I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along in your own account. First, head over to the left-hand menu in ActiveCampaign and click on Automations. This is the central place where all of your automations live. Once you're there, look for the button that says Create an Automation and click it. This will open up the automation builder. When the prompt appears, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over every step in your workflow instead of relying on a template. After selecting that, click Continue to move into the builder. The first thing ActiveCampaign asks for is a start trigger. This is what tells the system when to add someone into the automation. Click Add a Start Trigger, then choose the entry event that fits your goal. Common options include subscribes to a list, tag is added, or submits a form. For example, if you're building a welcome sequence, you might use subscribes to a list. Once you've picked your trigger and configured any details, click Add Start to confirm it. Now you'll see the main automation canvas. Click the plus icon on the canvas to add your first action. From the menu that appears, go to Sending Options and select Send an Email. Choose Create a New Email, then follow the prompts to name your email and design it. This is where you write your subject line, body content, and customize it to match your brand. When you're done, save and exit back to the automation canvas. Next, let's add a delay so your contacts aren't overwhelmed. Click the plus icon again, go to Conditions and Workflow, and choose Wait. Select for a specified period of time, then enter how long you want the system to pause before the next step, such as a few hours or several days. Click Save to lock that in. You can optionally add more steps to better organize or segment your contacts. Click the plus icon again, go to Contacts, and choose either Add Tag or Subscribe to List. This is useful for tracking who has gone through the automation or moving them to a new list for future campaigns. Before you turn anything on, rename your automation to something clear and descriptive. At the top left, click where it says Edit Name and type in a name that tells you exactly what this automation does, like New Subscriber Welcome Series. Finally, go to the top right and switch the automation from inactive to active. Once it's active, any contact who meets your trigger conditions will automatically enter the automation and start moving through the steps you've just set up.